Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Jamie O'Mara from Salem State's Music Technology Department. Today I'm going to be giving a tutorial video on how to tune a snare drum as well as other percussion instruments and auxiliary percussion. So, step one to drum tuning, for me at least, would be detuning each tension rod to the snare to the loosest point possible. After detuning each tension rod, you're going to do what I'm doing in the video now, which is finger tightening each tension rod to the max point of tension. Now that I've made sure that each tension rod is as tight as it can go, we can do a quick sound check. Okay, now that we've finished getting each section of the drum in tune with each other, we can start to use our drum key to bring up all of our pitches. Now you'll notice I am tuning each individual tension rod across from the previous. This is called the cross-lugged tuning method and/or technique. So before I begin another sound check to see if our drum's pitches are adjusted with each other, I would like to note that me spinning the drum key 2 whole turns is just a personal preference. Please note that you can also do quarter turns and half turns as well. And with just a few minor pitch adjustments being left out, our snare drum is now tuned and is ready for play.